Welcome to your new kitchen essential, the CherHome Cast Iron Skillets 3-piece set, featuring 6.5, 8, and 10-inch pans. Crafted from heavy-gauge cast iron, these skillets provide even heating for perfect searing and browning every time. Each pan comes pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil to create a smooth, non-stick, and rust-resistant surface. They are compatible with all cooktops, including induction, ovens, broilers, and outdoor grills for versatile cooking options. The ergonomic handles offer superior balance and control, making cooking comfortable and precise. Cleaning is simple with hand washing and a recommended 3-step cleaning method to maintain seasoning. Invest in these durable skillets that promise professional quality performance and years of use in your kitchen. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.